Now, reports, you go to reports on the left. So we have so many reports. We have tenant statement, property statement, arrears statement, expenses, month on month, year on year, and property groupings report. So I'll explain each of this. A tenant statement is going to show you all the transactions for a particular tenant. So we added only one tenant, so we'll select the tenant, then we submit, and then you can be able to see their invoices and payments and how they were used to calculate their balance. Okay, you can always download this PDF as this report as a PDF or an Excel for all of them. Okay, another report is a property statement. So I'm going to cover just a few, but I'll explain all of them. So property statement, this one is going to show you a report of the whole building. Okay, so for example, if we select December 1st to 20th, and then we say select all columns and then submit, you'll be able to see it will list all your tenants here, okay, which now shows you the income, and then it will show you your expenses here and then your summary. Again, you can be able to download this as a PDF and an Excel. Arrears report, it will show you your arrears for all the tenants and all the properties. Expenses report will show you expenses for all your properties. Month on month report, this will enable you to compare your performances over many months, so that you can be able to see how you performed in certain months vis-a-vis other months. Okay, and again, you can be able to download them as PDF. So this is good for analytics, so that you can just see maybe which months you did better than the other, so that maybe you know why that happened. Yeah, year on year, same as the month on month, but now comparison of years. Property groupings report, this is for property managers. This is not for landlords. This is mainly for property managers, and it will enable them. For example, if you have employees that you have assigned certain properties, you can be able to get the performance of a certain employee by creating a grouping. Okay, so that a grouping represents a number of properties which they manage. Okay, say you have 50 properties and you have 5 employees, each of them manages 10 properties. So you can create groupings of the 10, so that you can be able to see the performances of each employee. The same can apply to branches. If you have branches in specific towns in Kenya or in whichever country you are in, you can be able to get the performances of each of those. So that is the run through of the reports. Finally, we're going to go through the settings tab. Okay, so just before